international page, let's get into Naija and all the gist. Let's talk about Peruzzi, Chioma, and Davido. Rumors has it that Peruzzi has been accused of having a serious relationship or having sex with Chioma, and we have been asking, Peruzzi and Davido, they have been very good friends. Actually, they've done collabos together, and Peruzzi says that Davido is like a brother to me. I don't know what I've done to anyone out there to actually deserve this kind of accusations pointed directly to my face, saying that I have something to do with Chioma. How can anyone ever think of me having anything to do with Chioma when, as you can see, Davido is like a brother to me, Davido is like a mentor to me, and where I am today is thanks to Davido. His words are, it's crazy for anyone to think I slept with Chioma, and we have things like Peruzzi says that it's crazy because he knows that Davido is Chioma's fiance, and this rumor circulating around, he actually has nothing to do with anything that has to do with Chioma. And he says that how can anyone, what has Davido done to anyone, and what have I done to anyone to actually deserve something like this? And do you know how crazy that is? Peruzzi says, and the 31-year-old singer went further to say that even if you hate me, what did Davido do to you? So right now, I am careful of any pin that drops near me because anyone can say anything out there. And these rumors came from a blogger and from an interview, from a broadcast from a blogger in Nigeria, who says that Peruzzi has something to do with Chioma, that is Davido's fiance. And Peruzzi is saying that this is actually stupid, it is crazy, and he has absolutely nothing to do with Chioma because Davido is like a brother to him, Davido is like a mentor to him, and he wouldn't want anything that is going to jeopardize the relationship he has with Davido. Still about Nigerians, we talk about Laycon. We know about Laycon. Laycon is an ex-candidate or housemate from Big Brother Naija, and he emerged as the winner of the last edition of Big Brother Naija. And since then, we know that Laycon has been an artist behind the closed doors, and his main reasons why he got into Big Brother Naija was to become the superstar that he's slowly becoming. And since he won that money and award from Big Brother Naija, this guy has been on his game trying to prove tough and having songs and releasing them on YouTube and many social media platforms. And just not long ago, Laycon hit 1 million streams on Spotify, and he goes on his Instagram page to say that I thank all my fans so much, and his words are, I thank God so much, and I really want to thank you so much, everyone, for always streaming and believing in me. And I say that God bless you all, and I keep growing higher. The Lagos-bred singer is the flag bearer of Fierce and National Entertainment, who has been known, and this entertainment has been known for breeding young and talented artists. And Laycon is saying that he is promising never to fail his supporters, never to fail his fans, and promising to always just be the best. We say that keep growing higher, my dear, and the sky is just your starting point. Still about Big Brother Naija and its ex-housemate, we have Nengi. We know about Nengi. While Nengi was in the Big Brother Naija, Nengi had issues with so many people, and Nengi was also a crush. A crush, you know. I'm laughing about this because I had personal issues with it, with Nengi and Uzo, and everyone blasting Nengi, say, Uzo, leave this girl, Uzo, leave this girl. And Nengi was termed one of the most outstanding and beautiful ladies in the house at that time, with striking beauty, striking color, and a wonderful shape. As you can see from the pictures, she's extremely beautiful. And just not long ago, AY, we know about AY. AY is a comedian in Nigeria, and AY always has Easter events and Easter concerts, and just not long ago, he held these concerts that take place every year, and Nengi was part of the participants or the invitees to this concert. And Nengi appears on the concert with a stunning dress, with a dark and a very beautiful dress, but with a tattoo on her thighs. And her fans say that she deliberately actually portrayed this tattoo to get the attention of AY, and she deliberately took a picture of herself and she cropped the picture and posted it on her Instagram page and sent an edition of this picture to AY himself. And the PR of AY was not comfortable with this and was given permission to post this picture on social media, calling this lady promiscuous and saying that an artist is not just about being a fashionista or wearing clothes or being beautiful, but how impactful you are to the society, especially to the young ones, and a source of inspiration. Nengi, as an ex-BB Naija housemate and entrepreneur and is also a model, has shown herself to be very promiscuous. She had issues with Uzo while at BB Naija. She was flaunting herself at the guy, showing her breasts and her thighs everywhere. And just when this guy fell so deeply for her and stupidly for her, she openly rejects this guy. You see, there were instances where Uzo tried to kiss her and she turned her head behind. We have so many instances where she made the guy look like a fool and disgraced him in public. And everyone was very, very angry at Nengi. And here she comes again with another scandal showing her thighs. Well, nevertheless, when you talk about the bad side of someone, people always have a good side to talk about the person. So while everyone is like, she's promiscuous, she's this, she's that, her fans are sticking by her and saying that, Nengi, I love your tattoo. Nengi, I love how beautiful you are. Nengi, I love your color. I love the way you laugh. I love the way you smile. So when you have a machete, you have the other side, you turn it and you have the other side. So while negativities, we have positivity. That is the word for us, all right? And let's get more into diaspora, where we talk about Lee Wayne. Lee Wayne shares sweet video of her girlfriend, Denise B. and seemingly teases upcoming song, love song. And Lee Wayne and girlfriend, they are waxing strong, and they are saying that they had issues, they had so many opportunities that they could earn a relationship. They ended the relationship at some point, but they came back at some point, and they are happy to announce to the world that they are happily in love. And not long ago, we have screenshots. Oh, sorry, we have posts from this lady who says that Lee Wayne is the love of my life, and I love you so much, boo. And she says that I've never had a best friend like you. I love you so much. And Lee Wayne also posts a video of him and the girlfriend on Instagram saying that without you, I would have been nothing. Without you, my life would have been incomplete. And I thank God that I met you, and I love you very, very much. And all these videos are anticipating a love song from Lee Wayne, and we are saying that I can't wait to watch that video. I can't wait to listen to that song, and I want to hear more about your love story with this lady, and we wish you all the best. We say that, well, it's a personal decision to choose who your spouse is, who you want to be with, who you want to make up with, and who you want to break up with. So people make up, they break up, they make up, and they still break up. That is entertainment for us, entertaining us with their lives, with their everything, their dress codes, and that is why we are here, to trash them all. We'll be right back after the break to get into Star Profile, so stay with us.